Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Kama wewe umerudi, welcome back. So guys, leo tumekuja EASTLEIGH. We want to buy some curtains. Now we want to share each and everything that tutanunua na shop zenye tutaingia, we share the details, numbers, na prices. Kindly subscribe. Usikose kusubscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Wapi? So guys, tuko kwa hii building, tutaweka jina but hatujui inaitwaje. Boss, hii building inaitwa Hodan building. Huko ndio tumekuja kununua curtains. And you can see huko background vile kuna Miami. Umenunua gani? Pale mwisho. This one that goes for per meter inaenda 750, but unapea offer tumeinunua by 550. So guys, we need to pay these guys a visit. So tunashoot tu kidogo, tunaonesha mali tuko, and then later on tutashare before and after the transformation of our house. Yes, tukiweka curtains tutashare video. Yeah guys, camera shy. Ebu tell them to subscribe. Subscribe guys. Yes. Subscribe to her. Kindly subscribe. And share. Ni homa. Marines. Yo. Hey guys. So let me say good morning because it's another day. A very cold morning. Kuna baridi sana. So guys, jana ndio nilikuwa EASTLEIGH. I bought my curtains jana, but sikuweza kuziinstall, so nimeamkia leo kuziinstall. And guys, I'm loving the matokeo. Zinakaa poa. Yani I'm loving my house already. You can see them from the background. Zinakaa poa, zinakaa tu, zinavutia. So guys, if you're looking for curtains, I can recommend your shop yenye nilibuy. I'm going to share their number. So if you want kuuliza ending, kuuliza wanauza aje per meter, don't usisikie kiondo tu. Enda ulize, maybe you'll get what you're looking for because wako na varieties mob. So guys, I'm going to share with you my outcome. And guys, please, if you're there now, just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that the next time I upload my video, you'll be notified. Nawapenda sana na warembo tu. You nayo. I love you guys. So see you in the next video where I'm going to share with you my curtains. So guys, my curtains looks like that. Shines all already na sijui kama my